what's going on, everybody? For First We Feast, I'm Sean Evans, coming at you from the Rachael Ray Prep Kitchen, where I'm joined by Rachael Ray.
Funny finding me here.
Weird.
So weird.
She's an award-winning TV host, author, media mogul, celebrity chef, and the only guest in Hot Ones history to ever mainline Blair's Megadeth sauce with liquid rage off of a spoon.
Come on, I want to be a girl who could do all number 10.
But today, it's me in the hot seat. Rachel's gonna put me through a culinary crash course. We're gonna be making a very special dish that you can make at home. Rachel, what are we making today and why?
We are making my husband's favorite dish, carbonara. Carbonara is bacon and egg pasta. It's originally a Roman dish, and most people think that it's made with cream. It is not. It is made with eggs and bacon, in this case pancetta or guanciale. My husband likes garlic in everything, so we're gonna put plenty of garlic in ours. But for carbonara, it's really about the technique of making it. And it's a very sexy dish. It's simple, but if you master it right and you make it, chances are you're in, let's say.
It's a bachelor pad classic.
Are you single?
I am.
This will help you.
I appreciate that. That's what I need. I need all the help I can get.
First of all, it's a very quick cooking dish. You're going to, for every 1 pound of pasta, you're going to bring to a boil 5 to 6 quarts of water. Whenever you cook dry pasta, you have to season the water, like liberally season the water. You should be able to taste it with a spoon and say, oh, that tastes well seasoned. You need a large skillet next to that you're going to put over very moderate heat. Put them next to each other so you can pull the pasta from the cooking water and drop it into the pan. All right, this is pancetta.
Very sexy.
Well, yeah. No, but the dish itself.
Okay, yeah.
Just eating the pasta, you know, and it's silky and it's creamy,
It's
even though there's no
sensual
cream in it.
experience.
Yeah. How much cooking do you do?
You know, you're somebody who's always championed that you don't need to be a classically trained chef in order to throw down in the kitchen. And I'm one of these guys who's so intimidated by pots and pans that I basically seamless every meal. I'm like a latchkey kid, you know?
So you literally don't cook.
No.
Wow. All right, we're gonna have some stuff fall off a truck for you.
Okay, cool.
But first of all, choke up on your bat, put your thumb here, and then curl your fingers around, proper. And then you're going to slice down and away from your body, down and away from your body. Don't be afraid of the board. Down and away. Don't saw.
How am I doing?
Not terrible. So hold this together. Always keep your fingers curled under when you're using a knife on this hand, right? Like a cat's paw.
Yep.
Right? And you move the knife along the cutting board and you keep moving your fingers back. Okay, what we're gonna do is for 1 pound of pasta, you need 6 yolks. Not bad, very good. Put it over here now.
Boom.
You got most of it.
Garbage bowl.
Very good. Cracking on the counter.
How's that? Is that
Not bad.
Is that
Get
a
in
no-no?
here. We have found something you can do. So,
I think you
see,
spoke
why
too
did I
soon.
say that?
4,
Good.
5,
Okay, one more.
6.
Yeah, you did
Boom.
something.
Boom! Don't ever let them tell you you can't, all right? Dreams do come true.
Okay, this is a whisk, and that's all you have to do to whisk. Go back and forth very fast. Don't hold it like a delicate flower. Hold it with your whole hand so you get the power in case you want to make whipped cream one day or something. There you go.
Look at me whisk.
Hey, look at you.
Look at me cook that up.
All right,
Whipping that work.
nice. Now you're going to add both of these cheeses, Parm and Pecorino. Pecorino is sheep's milk cheese. Parm is cow's milk cheese. Pecorino is salty and tangy. Parm is buttery, nutty. We're gonna put in a fat handful of each cheese. Okay, now you're ready to put stuff in the pan. Olive oil,
Little olive oil.
coat the bottom of the pan, add all the pork, and start breaking it up a little bit. So you really, do you have any equipment in your kitchen?
Like a year ago, like the pilot went out on my stovetop.
Yeah.
And like I just haven't even addressed it.
You don't even have a stove.
I have like an oven, but like, yeah, I don't use the stovetop. Did you know that there are people like me out there?
No.
It's scary.
I mean, everybody knows how to make something, I thought. Okay, so now that your pancetta has rendered some of its fat and it's starting to light brown a little bit, look at you shaking the pan, good for you. You can drop your pasta in the water, or most of the pasta in the water. Get the wine,
Little wine.
I need to start drinking early today, I think. Okay, put a little wine in the pan. And now we're gonna turn him down, okay? And kind of just let him hang out till our pasta's ready.
Cool.
Mix your pasta with your tongs.
Really like pick it up.
There you go.
Just spin
that's
it.
good, that's good. Just to get it going. You need to change the temperature of these eggs and raise it so that they don't scramble when you put it in the pan. While you're whisking, I'm gonna pour this in there. While you're
I'm whisking, that's important. Look at this creamy sauce, and it smells so good.
To this pan, we're now going to add a little pepper. We'll salt it at the end because there's salt in the cheese. So taste it and then add salt. When you're cooking dry pasta, you always read the side of the bag. It'll say 8 minutes or 9 minutes or 10 minutes, right? You stop cooking this 1 minute before that time. So if it says 8, cook at 7.
Why
Set a
can't you
timer.
trust the box?
Because it's going to continue to cook. It's called carry-over cooking. It will continue to cook in the hot pan while you're
Right.
tossing it with the sauce.
I feel like I'm getting my crash course. This, I feel like I'm gonna mess it up like 6 or 7 times, but that's why you do it, right? That's why
Yeah,
you get on
if you-
stage. You know, like no stand-up's gonna kill it the first time they hit an open mic.
Exactly. And if you cook once, you'll cook twice. If you cook twice, you'll cook 3 times. You gotta get your training wheels going.
Right,
you know?
right. I'm just gonna make the best spaghetti carbonara you ever seen in your life.
Okay.
And I'm gonna send you a pic.
I have faith. I really do.
You do?
I do. Not a lot, but maybe a little.
Out of the pot.
Oh!
Oh!
Boom! Now add your sauce, and now we're going to keep this moving as it thickens up and bubbles. See already how it's thickening up and bubbling?
Yeah.
And getting silky and gorgeous?
It's all working together. You know, the sauce is helping to cook
The
the
eggs
pasta.
are
The
thickening.
pasta is soaking up the
See,
sauce.
look how, doesn't it look like it has cream in it? That's why everybody thinks there's cream in it. It's
But
not,
no.
it's just properly made. Look how beautiful that is.
It's so
This
beautiful.
is yours. We used all of your stuff.
It's generous of you to say that.
No, we did.
I know.
Legitimately. It's all yours. Look how sexy that is. Isn't it beautiful?
It's so sexy.
How is it?
I don't say this lightly. It's the best pasta I've ever made in my entire life.
It's the only pasta you've ever made in your entire life.
I
This
think
is
we
beautiful.
crushed it.
Look how gorgeous that is.
It's so gorgeous.
It is textbook. That is exactly what carbonara is supposed to look like.
And there you have it. Now you know how to make perfect, creamy spaghetti carbonara at home. Now I know how to
so
make
happy
it.
for you.
Thank you for
You
the crash
crushed
course,
it.
Rachel.
It's amazing. It's perfect. It really is.
Everybody grab a fork.
Everybody,
Pull up.
I want
Pull
forks.
up.
Come on, get in here.